Hi friends, my name is Himang Sanwal and I am a student of 4-year classroom program in Akash. I have opted for JEE and I have qualified IUQM 2023 with 42 marks. I joined Akash Byju's in 9th during foundation courses. Initially, the curriculum was very good and the teachers were very cooperative. I scored 97% in my 10th class and I was very much impressed by the teaching facilities of Akash. That's why I opted to continue my journey of 11th-12th with Akash. I have already decided that I would be giving JEE, and for good ranks in JEE one should start early from 9th or 10th class. That's why I joined Akash in 9th only, and it was very helpful for me to strengthen my concepts and clarify my doubts. I had a passion in maths, that's why I opted to appear in IUQM exam. This exam is a national level exam and it helps in building the exam temperament needed for many other national level exams such as NEET and JEE. IUQM is a very good exam. One should first attempt the easy questions and then move on to medium and difficult ones. The teachers already told me that first you should pick the easy question which you know you could solve easily, and then if you have time then move on to the other difficult questions. According to me, some important topics that should be covered are number theory, geometry or PNC, and the modules of Akash were very greatly influential in that. It was very helpful for me to strengthen my concepts by module of Akash, and such other modules such as Success Magnet and Success Achiever also helped me during practice a lot. I would refer Akash modules. They are very beneficial during IUQM preparations. Many other modules such as Success Achiever and Success Magnet are also quite beneficial during practice, and they helped me a lot during my IUQM preparation. Preparation of IUQM boosts my confidence as it is a national level exam and it consists of many stages. If we qualify each stage, then at last stage we are going international Olympiads, and it is very difficult and only some students in India go to the last stage. So if we just practice it, and then it will be beneficial for us. Also it helps in development of an exam temperament and speed and accuracy during other, which will be beneficial during other exams also. The exam was quite difficult, but due to the teachers and the mock test here, I was able to easily do many of the questions, although I was not able to do all of the questions as the exam many questions were still very difficult to solve. But the teachers and faculty helped me a lot during my IUQM preparation, and I will be thankful to all the teachers for my such accomplishment. During preparation of IUQM, I gave about 1 or 2 hours more apart from my JEE preparation. I continued my IUQM preparation alongside my JEE preparation, and these 1 and 2 hours were very beneficial for the practice and theory building that is required for IUQM exam. The teaching style of Akash is in such a way that I could easily balance my IUQM preparations along my school board preparations. IUQM preparation was also helpful my school preparations, and it helped me a lot in school board preparations. I would like to give future IUQM aspirants advice that one should focus on strengthening the concept and practicing the questions, because the more you practice the questions, the more becomes your speed and accuracy, and which helps you easily crack the IUQM exam. Teachers at Akash are supportive and very cooperative. They helped me motivate for the IUQM, and they also cleared my doubts regarding this exam. They regularly used to give me questions which were very helpful during the practice, and it was very beneficial that I was able to crack IUQM exam. If we talk about time, then 1 or 2 hours daily would be enough to qualify IUQM, as it helps in building your concepts, and practice also is enough to qualify for the IUQM exam.